Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys 1 Series. If you have BMW 1 Series guys and you're trying to locate and replace the intake camshaft position sensor, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located and how to remove it guys and what needs to be done to replace it. Now this will demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine. Even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the video may be helpful, but here in the US we get the 6-cylinder engine guys, which is the N52, or you may even get N53, N54 engine guys. Procedure is very simple and we'll explain what it takes, but we'll show you guys with the front end of the part taken completely apart so we can demonstrate where everything is located, otherwise it's impossible to show you. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Let us know in the comment section if the video was helpful. If you need to buy a new sensor, replacement parts or tools, we share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. With the front end of that car removed guys, okay, this is the 6-cylinder engine. That engine can be found in 1 Series, BMW 3 Series, X1, X3, X5, and it can be even found guys, okay, in 5 Series BMW, one of the most popular engines that you can get. Even if you have the 135i, which is the twin turbo engine, the procedure is practically the same. So with the front end removed, we can demonstrate where things are. So this is usually guys, okay, the intake side of the engine is on this side, exhaust is on this side. So you have 2 camshaft position sensors, one here, one there. This is the exhaust, this is the intake, that's the one that we need. So let us show you guys, okay, what we need to do to actually, okay, remove and replace that sensor now. So right here, okay, we have one bolt that we need to remove. This is the tool that we have. I'll put the link in the description of the video below to see where we purchased ours. Okay, if you need to get some, it's called reverse Torx, size 8. So we'll go ahead, okay, get that bolt loose now and remove it all the way. Okay, you can see just like that. Perfect, came out. Now guys, next, right here, okay, I'm going to put the whole sensor with the wiring harness to show you how to disconnect it, but you can disconnect it if you want to being installed. Do not twist the sensor left and right, no, just pull it straight down by wiggling a little bit. You have one O-ring that prevents oil from getting out. You can see that O-ring right here, and that O-ring tends to get stuck. You can leak some oil out, that's normal. You can see how dirty the sensor is actually guys, but this is because we need to clean the inside of our engine with an additive, and we'll have a video how to do that. This is because BMW guys recommends long interval oil changes, which I don't like so much, so I started going shorter intervals on oil change so I don't cause any damage guys. So now right here with the screwdriver you need to pry that tooth a little bit up, okay, and disconnect the wiring harness, okay, and this is your sensor. If you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Also guys, putting it together is practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.